Alright, welcome to the Mad Possum Motorsports channel. So right now I have a factory TRD exhaust, the quad tip. I had the resonator removed, it was coming apart. Really don't like the way it sounds with the resonator removed. It's real tingy. Yeah, you're going from a 3-inch all the way down to 2.5. So I ordered a FT86 off their website. It's a quad tip exhaust. I think it's Remark, I think's the name of the brand. I will post a video of that once I get it in and installed, but I'm going to do a start up my garage to hear it the way it sounds. It sounds good on startup, and then I'll cut to video once the car's warmed up to drive the road so you can hear what it sounds like, and hopefully I might be able to get a video of the launch control for it, and then I'll post another video of after the new exhaust is installed on it. So here's the car starting up in my garage so you can hear it.